Here we have a 2015 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels with the red brake calipers just behind. We also have the Alpine white exterior paintwork, we have the LED headlights, the two front black kidney grills, the M Performance kit which includes the front splitter. We also have the side skirts along the bottom, the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, we have the black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. But as this vehicle is a convertible, the roof will go up or down with a simple press of a button. Round to the rear you find the carbon fibre rear spoiler just there if the camera will pick it up. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the quad tip exhaust at the back along with the rear diffuser, and this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look now at the interior, you'll find the full red leather interior. We have the two seats at the back, the fixed ISO points just there. We also have the two seats at the front as well, which are both heated and electrically adjustable. The driver's side has the memory function as well. On the doors you'll find the electric windows, we also have the electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just there and the auto wipers as well. Multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides. Taking a seat inside you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter just there. Putting your foot on the brake and pressing the start button, the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll notice that we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard, the only one being for fuel. Going over into the centre console you find the main infotainment screen which has the likes of sat-nav. We also have the radio, which is where you'll find the FM, AM and DAB radio. We have a range of media such as the Bluetooth, the auxiliary. We also have the CD, DVD and the music collection. We have the phone connectivity just there. Going on to the main menu, you find all of these options to go through. So if we go to the settings for example, go into the lights, this is where you find the ambient lighting. We also have a range of drive modes, so we have the Eco Pro, we have the Comfort drive mode, we have the Sport and the Sport Plus as well. Putting the vehicle into reverse you'll find the parking sensors just there. Further down you'll find the climate control just here with the heated seats on both sides, and the ice cold air conditioning all works just as it should do. Down here you'll find the button for the convertible roof, so if we hold that down the roof will now come back up. As you can see it is lifting up. So while that's coming up I'll talk you through the rest. We have the gear stick just here. We have some buttons down here for the drive mode, the parking sensors button, the traction control button. We also have the shortcuts for all of the infotainment as well. We have a nice leather armrest just here, which inside of there you'll find the USB port. We also have the auxiliary as well and some storage space. As you can see the roof has now came up and the windows will come up just in a moment. We also have two cup holders just inside of here and a 12-volt connectivity. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.